Hi, I'm Maggie Herron. Today let's create this beautiful flower. It's a sculpture like flowers and we're going to use palette knife and also buttercream or frosting that you like to use. I love to have a non-crusted delicious buttercream. The recipe you can see in the description, and you can lay down your buttercream and put a little bit of color to smear it a little bit on the top so that you have like that variety of colors. So I have white and purple here. Then you want to angle your palette knife to the left, upward a little bit, and cut through the buttercream slowly like that until you have an overhanging buttercream on your diamond-shaped palette knife like that. And then slowly touch down and pull on your cake. Here we have a mini cake, and then do the same thing but angle it to the right now to create the right hanging petal. So now you have that, and you can place it slowly on the cake, gentle, and then just pull through. Now do one more petal. So here on the left hanging petal, and just a little bit of scrape, so create a smaller little bit petal, and I'll put it on the center. And let's create another one, but I'm running out of space, so I'm gonna, smear the buttercream to create a thin layer, and then angle your palette knife again to cut through your buttercream like that to create quite a big of overhanging petal. And here, because we already have 3 petals on the cake, then create your 4th one by putting it on the bottom of your flower like that. And now create another buttercream, so layer the buttercream thinly and then put more purple on it to create that different shades, and then create a right angle of petal by cutting through your buttercream. And once you create the overhanging petal, I'm having a hard time sort of debating where I'm gonna place it, like the angle where we're gonna put the buttercream on the cake. I'm sort of like, moving my palette knife here and there, trying to find like the angle where I can place it. And it's kind of hard to do that. So, and then finally I could put it right over there, but ideally you want to have the second palette knife ready. Here it's like kind of move a little bit. So ideally you have a second palette knife ready, in case that you want to transfer it, make it easy, like having this 2 palette knife together to sort of trying to sculpt your buttercream. And I decided to put it like that on the center like that, and I think it's beautiful. So there you go, we have like a kind of a little bit more round looking center. So now let's create another petal here at the left side, overhanging petal. The movement is the same when you cut through, angle it. And here I'm ready, and I have like 2 palette knives to help me pick up the beautiful petal that we're creating, and then just help me putting it on the bottom of the flower like that, gently with this 2 palette knife. And there you go, you have created this beautiful structure of flower. And now I'm trying to create, just adding different details here and there, different petal, and then like leaf. The leaf, I'm not creating green, so I'm just using the purple background. I'm creating different shades of purple and also white for the leaf, for the bottom of the flower, and this detail is coming together already. And then finally I adding a little bit of texture, white texture for our purple background that created a little bit of oomph for the cake. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes. And if you have any comments, as usual, please comment below. I will comment if you have any questions. And also, if you have tried this method before, and then if you have any tips for us, let's share those tips also, that we can help each other grow. Okay, so thank you.